Hey people, welcome to Glory's Food Diary. I'm going to be showing you guys how Nigerians cook party fried rice. Keep watching. As usual, before cooking any meal, you have to prep your ingredients. Guys, this is not my kitchen. I am just privileged to film this video. Just enjoy it like that, okay? Yep. This lady has been on my channel before. I have interviewed her. I'm going to leave a link of the video. So guys, her name is Mrs. Roslyn. She's actually a professional caterer. To start off this cooking, we are going to wash the rice, then parboil the rice. So as you can see, the rice is done, and then in the cooking pot you have the stock from the chicken that was cooked earlier. So in this stock she just added curry and thyme and then some water. This is the brand of curry and thyme she used. So right now she's adding Cameroon pepper. That is me there. I just came to show off. So she's stirring the pot to make sure the ingredient is evenly distributed. You can see it's bubbling in the pot. So that's the rice that was parboiled and will be poured into the pot later. So she just had to taste it to know what next to add if everything is perfect. So she's adding mixed spice. I'm going to show you guys the brand. Yeah, that's it. Mixed spice into what she has already in the pot, and then she added some water. Just like I said, she's adding the rice into the cooking pot. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I love to film content like this to entertain you guys and then to showcase how people cook different types of food. So please subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, so when I post a video, you will definitely be notified. I'm still my humble self, Glory Rex. She just added turmeric into the pot. I'm going to show you guys the brand. Yep, this is it. Turmeric adds flavor and color into any meal. So just know that. So she's going to cover the pot, after which she opened it and added bay leaves. So that has been set aside, and now it's time to cook the extra veggies that will go into the rice. So right now we have spring onion and green peas already cooking in the pot. She just added diced carrots and she's stirring. So she just added mixed spice again for taste. And if you're wondering who is stirring, in Nigeria, we like to help each other cook. The lady stirring is just someone that came to assist her. Right now, she just added curry also for taste as well, and aroma. Now she just added seasoning cubes. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. She's going to be adding diced liver. It has been cooked and diced into small chunks, and it's just been added into the pot. So from time to time she just would taste the food to know what next to add. Is everything okay? So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'm still begging you, please subscribe. Right now she just added sweet corn and kidney beans. All these are the merendes that will be added into the rice to make it yummy. She just added water into the pot. Please ignore the washing of hand in the pot because that's how most Nigerians cook, okay? Right, so that is going to be stirred and allowed to simmer. Now she's adding salt into the cooking pot. So after which it will be stirred. She just added cooking butter and then she's stirring. This part of the cooking is done, so the pot will be brought back to the fire and then to do the final mixture. She just added water, just covered the pot for the rice to cook a bit before she starts to add the prepped veggies earlier that I showed you guys, or the other stuff she was cooking. So this is the rice. Looks good. Everything that she was cooking in that pot, which was the carrots, the green peas, the kidney beans, everything is now added into the rice and then mixed with a cooking stick. This stick is a very long stick so that it can get to the depth of the pot. The rice is done and these two ladies are going to bring it down. Yep, this is it. And now, voila! This is how some Nigerians cook party fried rice. It looks good, it looks yummy, and it tastes very nice. So thank you so much for watching Glory's Food Diary. I would see you on the next episode, and please don't forget to subscribe. Mwah! I love you guys.